Wake up your creativity. Samsung Galaxy Tab A9 Plus, your perfect companion for work, study, and entertainment. Tired of the same boring and limited tablets? Are you looking for a device that allows you to work, study, and entertain yourself with complete freedom? Discover the magic of the Samsung Galaxy Tab A9 Plus.
Imagine
A tablet with a large, bright 10.5-inch screen perfect for watching movies, playing games, and reading ebooks. A powerful processor that allows you to run demanding applications without problems. A long-lasting battery that allows you to enjoy your tablet all day long. An included S Pen lets you take notes, draw, and create with precision. An elegant and lightweight design that allows you to take it everywhere. The Samsung Galaxy Tab A9 Plus allows you to be more productive with its multifunctional design. Express your creativity with intuitive tools. Enjoy your favorite games with stunning graphics. Connect with the world through high-quality video calls. Learn in a fun and interactive way with educational applications. Are you worried about the price? Don't worry. The Samsung Galaxy Tab A9 Plus is an investment in your future that will accompany you for years. Are you afraid of not knowing how to use it? Don't worry. The kit comes with detailed instructions and interactive tutorials that will make learning easier. Don't miss this unique opportunity. Take advantage of limited time offers and get yours now. Special launch offer. 15% discount with code TAB15. Limited units. Do not miss yours. More than 10,000 creative professionals already enjoy the Samsung Galaxy Tab A9 Plus. Listen to what buyers say. This tablet is incredible. It has allowed me to work more efficiently and creatively. Maria, graphic designer. It's the best tool for students. It helps me take notes, draw, and present more effectively. Juan, architecture student. It is a worthwhile investment. It has allowed me to improve my productivity and my workflow.
Ana, programmer.
Not convinced? Look at the opinions of other users on our website. Don't miss this unique opportunity. Samsung Galaxy Tab A9 Plus, your key to a world of possibilities. What are you waiting for to unleash your creativity? Reserve yours now. Thanks for watching.